this is how I make money from step index. You know, a lot of people are so afraid of step index, but I think step index is one of my favorite assets. Okay, so we have so many accounts we are trading at the moment, though this the smallest our smallest account, and I completely forgot this account. So my entry would have been here, somewhere here, because if I check show your other accounts, my entry was here. My entry is this level here. So, but here I forgot this account and I opened very late, and you can see we're still running profit, about $30 profit and two positions. Though I opened like three positions, but when price started going up, since my entry was really bad and my SL is a bit far from my entry, so I decided to close one position so that in case price goes against me, it doesn't take much from me. Okay, so that is how to really trade the financial market. So from this level here, we've made $30 already. So before it gets to this point here, we're making like $100. So the accounts will double the accounts. Okay, we will double the accounts from at that very point, right? Yeah. So, well, this is another account here. This is another account here. Can you see our entry somehow good here? Our entry somehow good at this very point here. Okay, so if it drops down to this very point, we'll be making so much profit from the market. Okay, we're making so much profit from the market. So yeah, we are holding to this place, at least to this very point here. Okay, to this very point here, and we've dropped this signal on our VIP channel. Sorry, we dropped this signal on our VIP channel. You can see attention, sell step index, apply proper risk management. I've given the SL, so about to drop the TP. Okay, so now you can see we are running good profits, guys. So I want to show you how and why I took this trade. Okay, I like telling you people the truth, because most people are not telling you people the truth. They just come here and adopt indicators and tell you they are making profits, they are this and that. But I want to take my time to educate you people. I want this video to be very informative. I want to disclose some secrets here. Okay, so if you're new on our channel, kindly hit the like button. Okay, make sure you subscribe to this channel, because we have so many things we're working on. We're bringing on board, like, to assist you guys. Okay, so if you are new on this channel, it's very important you subscribe to this channel to encourage us, and also whenever I drop a video, you get a notification that I've dropped another important content like this. Okay, so yeah, and don't forget to join our free Telegram channel, because we're dropping free signals. We drop signals today, free signal today. So join the free Telegram channel, okay, for updates and free signals. Okay, yeah. So on this very account here, this is why I took this trade, step index trade. Okay, let me zoom out completely, so you can see here at this very level here. Sorry, at this very level here, this is our first high here. Price went down to this point, went up again and created another structure here. Price went down and up again to create another structure at this very point. Okay, so I brought my trend line. This is trend line. I brought my trend line, dropped my trend line just like this. Okay, after dropping the trend line, and now see that price has been going down, and price is about to go down again this one more time. So it's likely getting to this point or this other point. Okay, so we are not rushing it. Okay, if you're not rushing it, if you're not leaving the market anytime soon, it's late already. It's 9:27 here p.m. here, so I'll be going to bed very soon, and I'll allow you to run till tomorrow. When I'll be up, I'll set my TPs and my SL. I'll break even in case it goes against me. So whenever when I'm up in the morning, it should have smashed our TP. Okay, and yeah, smash the TP1 and TP2. TP1 will be here, TP2 will be somewhere here. Okay, yeah. Now, like I said, this is, you can see we have a confluence at this level here where I took the trade. We have a confluence here. We have both horizontal line, which is this one here. Sorry, which is this one here. We have our horizontal line at this very point. Then we have the trend line at this very point too. We have our trend line like this. Okay, that shows us this is a key level on our chart, and you can see this 4 hours time frame. So you know, when you base your analysis on a higher time frame, it the price respects your analysis very well. Okay, so that's why I'm not afraid of this market. I'm so sure, I'm so certain that we are smashing our TP, at least TP1, then TP2 by tomorrow morning. Okay, yeah. So yeah, step index has been selling for a while. Okay, though I think it might change, because you can see at this point we have the low here. At this point the price fell to go below this previous low here. That means price might want to change direction this time around, but then I'm so certain that price is coming back to this points of interest, at these very points where we can actually buy at this point to the upside again. Okay, so yeah, now you see the candlestick at this very point. I'm showing you guys why I took the trade, why you should be taking trades like this. So at this very point here, we see the first candlestick, this 4 hour candlestick, how it closed with a pin bar. Okay, you can see that candlestick there. This is a pin bar, red pin bar, a bearish pin bar. And once you see something like this at a confluence like this, where you have the trend line and the horizontal line at the same time, and at a key resistance level, then you should be looking at selling. So after seeing this candlestick here, I know that price might be dropping. So what I did was I moved down to lower time frame, to 1 hour time frame, to still confirm the candlestick around this level. At this point now, you're looking for candlesticks around this level that will tell you price is about to drop. So now I now realize that we have some rejection. We have the first rejection, we have the second, and probably the third rejection. Yeah, so we had so many rejections at this very point here. You can see our price has been rejecting at that very point. So from there, I knew that price might be dropping again at this very point. Okay, so now I moved down to a more lower time frame, like the 15 minutes time frame. So on my 15 minutes time frame, I wanted to see how price start moving down a bit. Then I realized the price has started moving down, then it's going to respect my analysis. So that's how I shot at this very point. Though on other accounts, my entry was somewhere here. But since I entered here very late, so my entry is somewhere here, and my stop loss is up here. Very soon, once this level is broken, once this place is broken, you can see price is trying to respect that level. Once this level is broken, I'm moving my SL below my entry and hold to our TP1 somewhere here. Then down, we go to TP2. Okay, so this is how to trade. You must not always have indicator on your chart. Okay, I'm not saying indicators are not working. They are working, but you must not always have indicator on your charts. You can look at the markets like this and tell what the market is doing from the past, like past data, like what have you been seeing so far in the market. That price has been respecting and has been repeating itself. So you need to, from there, you know that, okay, this is what price has been doing over time, and this is what price gonna do at this very point. Okay, so that is how to trade. You don't just trade blindly. You trade and you must have the knowledge. Okay, you must know how to analyze the financial market properly before investing your money. You cannot just come into this market and think you'll be making profits just like that. Okay, you cannot just come in here and think you'll be making profits. Before you invest in any business at all, you need to have pre-knowledge about that business. So trading is still the same thing. You need to have knowledge about trading before you invest your money. So like I said, this level here, I really hope this level will be broken. Once this level is broken, price is dropping to this point here. So once this level is broken, I'm moving my SL to this point here. Now, why am I putting my SL here? I'm putting my SL here because if you can see this very place here, you see this place here, this looks like a structure on the lower time frame, on the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, sorry, on the 5 minutes time frame, you can see this level. So since my entry is right here, in case price wants to go up, it might respect this level again, this line again, because it has respected this level before dropping. So then it might respect this line again before dropping. But then if it doesn't respect this level, that means it might push above this other structure here. That's why I'm putting my SL here, so that once this level is broken, it smash my SL and close with some loss. It's better than not putting SL at all. So if you want to be a profitable trader, a successful trader, you must always place your SL. Is very important. Your SL is more important than your TP. Okay, I see a lot of people making these mistakes. They place only TP without putting their SL. The thing is, it's not as if you cannot close it manually. You cannot close your trade manually when it's going against you. But the thing is, it's hard for you to make this decision. You might say, if it's taking $20, I'm going to close after $20. It gets to $20, you say price might drop. Price might drop from that point. It might get to $30, you might still expecting price to drop. It gets to $40 minus 40, you might be okay. If you can drop back to $30 or $25, I'm going to close. Before you know it might blow your account. So but when you put your TP, your SL, once it gets to that level, you don't have to decide. Your SL decides for you because you've placed it, you've calculated your risk already before putting the SL at that very point. So at that very moment, you smash your SL and close with the amount you calculated, because you must calculate your loss before you make any move, before you jump into the market, right? Yeah. So yeah, that's it. And risk management is very important. I like saying on my VIP, if you're on my VIP, I like telling you guys to apply proper risk management. I also guide you guys by giving you guys some tips on how to manage your trades very well, properly. Because the thing is, if you risk like just 1% of your trading account, you risk just like 1% of your trading accounts, what's gonna happen is that, okay, let me quickly show you guys this account. Okay, so you can see this account. This is about $800 account. Okay, this $800 account, and imagine the lot size I'm opening 0.2 with $800 accounts. That doesn't mean I don't know what I'm doing, but it makes more sense, because if price want to go against me from entry to this level here, it will not take much from me. It might take me like $12 from here, $12 or $15 from here to here. Now, since I know how to trade, if I predict like 10 trades, 10 markets, I'll definitely win like 7. So now you can see that I'll always close with good profits. But if I over leverage a particular trade, maybe setup, then I didn't over leverage the other one. If I fail the one I over leveraged the account, that means I might blow my account. So it's always cool for you to reduce your risks very well, and it's better you take it bit by bit. Forget about what you're seeing online and think it's as easy as what you're seeing on social media. People driving fast cars, making so much money. They can never tell you how much they've been losing every day. Okay, it's only the results they come and show you. Okay, so what am I saying here? Always apply proper risk management. That's the best strategy for you. Okay, yeah. So this is it, guys. We're about to start May classes. Our new batch is gonna start soon. So if you want to be a part of this, our class, our academy, just check the description area. Chat me up on WhatsApp, Telegram, or IG, so that I can add you up and I'll tell you how to do your registration. We start our classes, okay? So it's your mentor, Etiforex, the major. And that'll be all for now, guys. Make sure that you smash that like button, subscribe to this channel, and join our free Telegram channel. Bye-bye.